Did you know that, around the world, there are creatures so rare and mysterious they seem taken from a science fiction book? They are animals that live in remote places, with incredible abilities or traits that challenge logic. Today, we will explore together the 10 rarest animals on the planet. Get ready to be amazed by creatures that are true treasures of nature. Each of these animals carries a unique story, full of challenges, beauty, and mystery. They are proof that our planet still holds many secrets. So, come with me and discover some of the most fascinating and rare species in the world. The first animal on our list is the rarest marine mammal on the planet, the vaquita. Imagine a tiny dolphin, less than 1.5 meters long, swimming in the crystal clear waters of the Gulf of California in Mexico. Sadly, this small dolphin is one of the most endangered creatures in the world. With fewer than 10 known individuals, the vaquita is struggling to survive in an environment where illegal fishing is a major threat. The vaquita is especially vulnerable to accidental capture in fishing nets, and its critical situation is a reminder of how the oceans are still in danger due to human activity. Preserving this animal is urgent, and the world is coming together to try to save this little dolphin from extinction. Now, let's travel to the Celebes Islands in Indonesia, home to one of the most eccentric creatures, the babirusa, also known as the wild boar of the swamp. This animal has such a unique appearance, it looks like something from a fantasy tale, with enormous canine teeth that grow so bizarrely they curve backward and penetrate its own skull. The babirusa is a perfect example of the diversity and strangeness of the animal kingdom. Despite its impressive appearance, the babirusa is in danger due to hunting and the destruction of its natural habitat. It is estimated that there are only about 5,000 individuals left in the wild, making this species one of the rarest on the planet. Now, let's go to the Democratic Republic of the Congo, in the heart of Central Africa, home to one of the most mysterious and rare creatures on the planet, the okapi. Although it looks like a mix between a giraffe and a zebra, the okapi is actually the giraffe's closest relative, but it has a more compact body and a unique coat with stripes on its legs. The okapi was discovered only in the early 20th century, and due to its isolated habitat in tropical forests, it is still very little known. With fewer than 10,000 individuals remaining, the okapi is at risk due to illegal hunting and habitat loss, and conservation efforts are underway to protect this incredible creature. In Xochimilco Lake, Mexico, lives one of the most fascinating and rare animals in the world, the axolotl. This aquatic amphibian has an incredible ability. It can regenerate parts of its body, such as limbs, tail, and even vital organs like the heart and spinal cord. This unique ability places the axolotl in a special place in the study of biology and regenerative medicine. However, despite its incredible regeneration capability, the axolotl is facing a battle for survival. Pollution and habitat destruction have put this species at risk, and today only a few hundred individuals remain in their natural habitat. Now, let's head to the dense tropical forests of Indonesia, home to one of the rarest and most majestic subspecies of tiger, the Sumatran tiger. With its striped coat and piercing eyes, the Sumatran tiger is one of the most imposing creatures in nature. However, its population is in serious decline due to illegal hunting, habitat loss, and tropical forest fragmentation. It is estimated that only 400 Sumatran tigers remain in the world, and their preservation is crucial for maintaining the balance of the region's ecosystem. The fight for the survival of the Sumatran tiger reflects the struggle to save the tropical forests and the unique biodiversity they shelter. Heading to the remote Annamite Mountains, on the border between Vietnam and Laos, where one of the world's most mysterious animals lives, the saola. Known as the Vietnamese antelope, the saola was discovered only in 1992 and has remained an enigma for science ever since. This animal, with long, twisted horns, lives in the dense, mountainous forests of the region, far from human reach. The saola is so rare that its population is almost unknown. It is estimated that fewer than 100 individuals remain in the wild, and each sighting is an extraordinary event. The preservation of this species is a significant challenge, mainly due to the isolation of its habitat. Now, let's head to New Zealand, where we find one of the rarest birds in the world, the kakapo. This nocturnal parrot, unable to fly, is one of the heaviest birds on the planet. Its appearance, with green feathers and a curious behavior, makes the kakapo a unique creature. Moreover, it is one of the most endangered parrots in the world, with fewer than 250 individuals remaining. Efforts to save the kakapo include captive breeding programs and strict protection of its natural habitats. However, due to its vulnerable nature and invasive predators, the kakapo still struggles to ensure its survival. On the island of Madagascar lives one of the most eccentric and rare primates on the planet, the ii. This small primate, with its long, thin fingers, can fish insects from tree bark and is a master of survival in the jungle. Its nocturnal behavior and peculiar appearance make the ii one of the most enigmatic creatures in the world. However, the ii faces a great threat. It is considered an omen of bad luck in many local cultures, and because of this, it is hunted and feared. This superstition, combined with habitat destruction, puts the ii at risk of extinction. The pangolin is one of the most unusual animals on the planet. Covered in hard scales, this mammal curls into a ball when threatened. What makes the pangolin even rarer and more vulnerable is the fact that it is hunted for its scales and meat, which are highly valued in the illegal market. There are 8 species of pangolin, all at risk of extinction. Its future depends on protection from illegal trafficking and the preservation of its natural habitats. Finally, let's go to the bottom of the ocean to meet the mola mola, the largest bony fish on the planet. With its massive body and unique appearance, the mola mola is one of the strangest and most fascinating creatures in the seas. While it is not in immediate danger of extinction, the mola mola is still a rare species, hard to find due to the depth of the waters it inhabits. This ocean giant is an example of the diversity and mysteries that the ocean floor still holds. Its life and behavior are an enigma, and its story is one of the most incredible in marine fauna. These 10 animals are true treasures of nature, each with its unique and incredible characteristics. Unfortunately, all of them face serious threats that jeopardize their survival. The fight for the preservation of these species is crucial to ensure that these animals and others like them continue to inhabit our planet. We as human beings have the responsibility to protect the environment and the natural habitats of these creatures. The extinction of a species is an irreparable loss to biodiversity and the balance of life on Earth. Therefore, it is crucial that each of us does our part to preserve what remains of these wonders of nature. If you are fascinated by these rare creatures and want to learn more about the amazing world of fauna and flora, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and click the video that's appearing on the screen now. Stay tuned for more surprising curiosities about our planet. See you next time.